All right. The NAR settlement was supposed to lower commissions and save sellers money. Here's what actually happened and what it means if you're selling in Bridgeland this year. The settlement took effect in August of 2024. The big change? Sellers no longer advertise buyer agent commissions on the MLS. Buyers now sign agreements with their agents that spell out compensation up front. So does this mean you, as a Cypress seller, get to keep more money? Well, let me give you the real answer. The average buyer agent commission in Texas right now is running about 2.4%, and here's the thing. It actually went up slightly after the settlement, not down. Because here's what happens when a seller says, I'm not paying buyer's agent. Agents have other listings to show. In Bridgeland, you're now competing against construction builders who are offering rate buydowns and covering closing costs. You cannot afford to give buyers a reason to skip your listing. Now, what did actually change and how do you use it? You now have more flexibility. Instead of a fixed number posted on the MLS, compensation is negotiated in the contract. You can offer a seller concession that the buyer applies towards their agent's fee, their closing costs, or a rate buydown. That's 3 different tools in your favor. The sellers winning in this market are the ones who understand their net proceeds number, not just their sales price. And they give agents running those numbers for them before they sign anything. If you're thinking about selling in Bridgeland, Towne Lake, Marvida, or Dunham Pointe, I want to walk you through exactly how the new commission structure affects your bottom line. Call or text me at 281-750-2915 or visit me on ChristianWalshHomes.com. The link is in the description. And if you think this was helpful, subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. But I post Bridgeland market updates every week. I'll talk to you soon.